Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log food in MyFitnessPal. So in order to do that, first of all, open up MyFitnessPal application on your device and ensure that you're logged into your account. Now, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on the plus button from the home page. In the expanded menu, click on Log Food. You will see a search bar and recent food options. Use the search bar to find the food you ate. After finding the food, simply tap on it from the search result. Now, click the plus button right next to the food item and choose whether you had it for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or as snacks. And after you do that, you will be able to log in food that you ate. Now the food that you ate will be recorded in the Dairy tab at the bottom. Follow the same process for login lunch, dinner, and snacks, and track all meals for better calorie and nutrition management. So that is how you can easily log in the food on MyFitnessPal. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.